Hey guys, how you doing? Let's do this. Let's dive into our project. And the first step is we are going to learn how to use PyTube. The first step is installing the PyTube. And I can do it using here pip install PyTube. Thing got simply installed and we can use it right now. I hope that you like the color mixture of my IDE. I just used this simple, cute plugin, which I believe it's gonna be around here. I'm using this guy, and I hope that you like it. If you don't like it, just keep up with it. If you can see what's going on, that's cool enough. Okay, and now we're going to see how it works. First of all, we are going to import our YouTube class from PyTube. Then we are going to add the link to our video. Super simple here. You can use any video that you want. Then we can see the things that we are going to need. And what I need is actually seeing the types of different formats and different ways to download this video, and that's gonna be enough for me. And also we can add some creativity to our project. In that case, I'm going to use, let me show you here, this streams feature, which will give us an actual stream. This is going to give us a list of types of streams and types of the ways that we can download the video. And if you just copy some video from, I believe, let me find some video link. Okay, in order to avoid any copyright problem, I'm going to just use, oh, what the fuck, bro? Yes, just use this YouTube Rewind 2019 video, and that's it. This is something that we would like to build, and we can see different types of streams that are actually provided by our friends at YouTube, which well, you can see this, and we are going to do the same thing, and we are going to see how other types of things that we have access to. Okay, let's go and do this. First of all, I'm going to set up my instance YouTube. Sorry. And if you're asking, dude, what the hell, why didn't you first import it? Because I would like to import it super simple this way. And that's it. I don't know what's the problem with this guy, HTTPS, I believe that's it. However, and now we are going to do a for loop for I in yt dot strings equals and prints me I to see how it works actually. And let's run this. Well, actually it takes few seconds to run, and that's it. That's all the types that we have access to. I believe that we can see others. Okay, we can see the MIM file type, actually resolution, FPS or frame per second, video encoding, audio encoding, progressive, and being progressive or not. Actually, being progressive or not, as I read the documentations, that means that the video and actually the audio are combined together, and that's how we want it. These guys have more limited, actually, well, they have limited resolution. As you can see, it's up to 720 pixel, I believe. And however, we can have access to higher qualities in actually parts which have no actually audio. As you could see, this SS YouTube allows the exact same things. I believe they built this such way using the exact same API However, I don't know. They used Laravel to build this website, and I don't care really. So we can see that we only have three options which are progressive, and we provide us with both audio and video. Okay, that's super simple. And now I want to see, and we have also some options to actually filter the results, and I can just say yt equals yt dot streams dot filter progressive must be just true. And now I will just get the ones with progressive, which progressive is true in that case. Okay, we got a problem here, and that's because I got this here wrong. Sorry. Okay, we got the ones that are only stream, the only actually the ones which which they're progressive actually, and that's all that we needed. However, I don't know what are these guys, but we got what we needed. Okay, so now we have learned how to filter and how to get get multiple streams from one single video, and now I would like to learn how to download one. Well, each one of these streams have an I tag, which is really cool, and we can use this I tag to download that specific video. Okay, that's super simple. How do I use it? We are going to say yt dot, actually I believe we can get this by I tag, and this I tag could be anything actually. I believe it was an integer, that's true. If you check it out, the I tag must be an integer, and in this case they are integer 2. Okay, and now we got the I tag, and actually the video equals this dude with this I tag, and the video is going to be downloaded. Okay, that's it. I'm going to delete this guy. Sorry. Okay, I actually got the video downloaded completely, and I've got this right. So we learned how to use PyTube, and in the next video we are going to set up our front end, and in the video after that we are going to learn how to set up our Django REST framework, and then we are going to connect them, and our progress is done. Thank you. Till next video. Goodbye, guys.